This news update is brought to you by...
Hi, I'm Red Plastic Bag. Anyone who knows me knows I don't like cold. Sunshine reigns in my country. I love it.
This is the Noon Barbados Today update from Monday, November 18th, 2013. I'm Dawn Paris. Police have found the man wanted in connection with last weekend's murder of a woman in Oistins, but sources tell Barbados Today he had to be taken to hospital. Details of his condition are not known at this time. The man came into custody yesterday, 2 days after 45-year-old Linda Tull was killed. Her body was found in her car, parked on a road behind the Oistins Polyclinic around 11:40 Friday night. She was earlier accosted by a man. Barbadians will soon be charged a fee to have their barrels processed at the Bridgetown port. Emmanuel Joseph has more.
Speaking to reporters a short while ago, just after attending the launch of a tourism awareness promotional video at Mango Bay Hotel in Old Town, Chief Executive Officer of the Barbados Port Inc., David Jean-Marie, said persons clearing barrels at the port will be charged a processing fee. He said although details of the fee structure were still being worked out, it will be a reasonable rate. The CEO, however, expects that this new fee will be introduced early next year. He explained that for years now the port has been absorbing the cost of processing, securing, and warehousing the barrels, but this was no longer sustainable. Meanwhile, the launch of the tourism public awareness video is just one of four, which will be produced to make Barbadians aware of the real impact that tourism has on them as individuals and the economy as a whole. This is Emmanuel Joseph from Mango Bay in Old Town for Barbados Today.
Fear of long waits at the hospital and polyclinics is keeping some Barbadians from seeking medical care early. And emergency care specialist Dr. Brian Charles says by the time they get to see a doctor, they're so bad they have to be hospitalized. Dr. Charles was the director of medical services at the QEH, but is now a principal of Sandy Crest and Coverley Medical Centers. He says when he questions patients who come in for medical attention after being sick for a long time, they say they're wary of the wait at public health care centers and they just didn't have the money to get private care before.
People with pneumonias, they've had the cough, bring up yellow sputum for days, they come later. And it's not only those persons who don't have the disposable income who are coming late, also the people who have insurance are also coming late. Now you would say, but if you have insurance, your insurance, you're going to get that money back. But you still have to put the money first, claim the insurance and wait 6 weeks to 2 months for you to get that money back. So persons who don't have disposable income rather hold on to that money than pay it out in medical cost and have to wait.
There's regional and international news after this short break.
McInerney Quality and Consolidated Finance invite you to trade in your old car for a new one. So, bring your car and come to McInerney Quality in Wildy. That's right, all trade-ins are welcomed. Any make or model we'll trade towards your new car. Plus, you get 2 years free insurance when you purchase a Kia, Mazda or Ford. And with on-the-spot financing by Consolidated Finance, you can drive away with something new. So, bring your car and come to McInerney Quality in Wildy. All trade-ins are welcome.
In the region, riot police in Guyana were last night called in to quell unrest at the Camp Street prison. Inmates had set fire to bedding and paper to protest conditions. More than 200 inmates are housed at the facility. Internationally now, a manhunt has been launched in Paris after a gunman attacked the offices of a newspaper and opened fire outside a bank. A 27-year-old photographer was seriously hurt at the Liberation newspaper in the attack. Police say the same man broke into the Paris offices of the 24-hour news channel BFM-TV on Friday. The motive for the shootings is not known. Police have been stationed outside all the main media offices in Paris, and people have been encouraged to stay indoors. And that's our noon update. We'll have more at 6 this evening. Until then, log on to www.barbadostoday.bb for more news and sports. I'm Dawn Paris.
This news update brought to you by
Hi, I'm Red Plastic Bag. Anyone who knows me knows I don't like cold. Sunshine reigns in my country. I love it.
Get your sun power.